Now, let's carefully explore how to utilize the video script function in your CapCut app, which is quite handy for creating engaging content. Now let's carefully discuss how to effectively use the CapCut app on your phone for video editing. Yes, you can utilize its features, but there's a catch. Some versions vary. In various versions of CapCut, the differences can be significant, even in style and features. For instance, I have an interesting option available. This feature is called AutoCut, and it allows you to create video scripts effortlessly. You simply input your ideas, and it generates videos based on your input. You write your ideas, and then a video is generated based on your request, as you can see here. Many of you might have experienced this. You upload your chosen image, and then it automatically creates a stunning edit for you. You might get a stunning edit or just a simple video. For example, when you click on this video, as you can see here, it transforms your ideas into visuals. This video does it all for you, as you can see here. You really don't have to do much at all. Just enjoy the results. Just upload your content. And that's it. You can add anything you like, and once you've chosen, everything is ready to go. Just find the video you like, press export, and that's all there is to it. It's simple and incredibly easy, as you can see. It's easy and simple, as you can see. You can even change the music in this video. For example, you can add any other video you like, and then simply press export to finish the process. There are many different types of music, and a variety of videos available here indeed. Thank you all for watching, wishing you good luck, and goodbye.